What up with it, Tennage, and today we will be working with the KO2 64 megabyte sampler composer. As you see here, I just came back from a little vacation, so I took this guy out with me in my downtime. I got to messing around with it, poking with it, playing with it, trying to get familiar with it and all that, and I'm having a pretty good time with it so far. I got about 3 weeks until I gotta return it, you know what I'm saying? Well, I ain't got to until I might return it. That's my return window. I will be doing a longer video later on, letting you know what my decision is and everything, my pros and cons and everything like that. But for right now, I'm just kicking it with it, having a good time, having a fun time. And since you only get 9 project slots, if you will, I gotta, I'm about to hit the limit, so I'm about to record this into my DAW. So I figured this might be a good time to, record a little video of me, mess around playing with it. There's no export feature as far as I'm aware, you know what I'm saying? So I got to offload some of my projects into my computer so that I can empty up space to keep on playing with and doing all that. And I figured, why not take you guys along with me for the ride? This will be my first time trying this, you know what I mean? And doing effects live and everything like that, it is pretty fun. It is pretty fun. I ain't gonna lie. It's pretty cool. But I know at some point I'm like, all right, bro, I just want to lock in everything I got, do my automation exactly how I want to do it, be precise about it, and, go on my way. But there's several different interviews with the designers of it, and they said it's not for that. It's for being spontaneous and just having creative ideas on the spot, you know what I mean? So I can't complain too hard, because that's the whole, that's the purpose of the design. That's a big piece of it, and I think a lot of people miss that. But even if you do, as long as you know what you're getting into, this could be a good, cool, fun unit to keep. Just don't know if it's gonna be for me long term. We shall see in a few weeks. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this thing. Now I know how to move around a little bit. We can go ahead and work a little bit. All right, let's do it. Hit record in my DAW. Let's go ahead and mute that. We're gonna go ahead and record. All right, let's get to business. I'm gonna try to start off with like a low pass filter or something, but we're gonna see how that works. All right. All right, I'm gonna start right here. It's touch sensitive, very expressive touch sensitivity, but it also feels like I'm about to break it. And I got my baby to say something in here. If you want to know what he's saying, I don't know. He ain't but 2. Give him a break. Hey. But that's cool with the built-in mic. I've been utilizing that, and that's part of what you're hearing right now. That's so dope. Hey. But just a little bop I came up with, just messing around with, and I was pretty pleased enough to export it, obviously, or record it in. Hey. Yeah, rocking. Let's play around a little bit. And it's gonna be a little off. I ain't used to doing live performance effects like this and everything, but there's a ton of stuff. Stuff like that you can play around with on the fader. Hey. And that's the sample from my lady right now. Hey. They got a bunch of crazy stuff on here, man. And this, might go ahead and add some back in. I might do this live. Oh man, I am recording my DAW, so I gotta be careful. I'm pretty sure that's my kit. Let's try it. If I mess it up, whatever. I'll just try it again. Okay, I got the quantize on, luckily, because I sure didn't look first. And then if I want to do a new scene, hit commit, it goes into a new one. You can hold record, or you can press it to record straight in, you know what I mean? So there's multiple ways to do it. And then let's add our big kick in. Alright, let's go back. With my baby. And then we're gonna go back to sequence 2. And then we're gonna do like this stop effect. There we go. And that last little chunk I can cut out of my dead W. But yeah, man, so far I'm having fun with it. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or not, but I believe if you know what you're getting into with this thing, man, it is super dope. Aesthetically speaking, it's dope and everything, man. Bare minimum, I could imagine myself keeping this just to have it, just to add to the collection, because it's just dope. But anyway, let me know what y'all think down in the comment section below. I know you've probably seen a million reviews, tutorials, etc., but I want to hear from the people that own it as well. How do you feel about it? You know, especially if you got it day one. It came out, what, month and a half, 2 months ago? Something like that. Today is February 11th. Super Bowl day. Better go watch that, you know what I mean? But yeah, let me know if you've had it for a while. Are you keeping it? You sticking with it? Do you like it? What don't you like about it? What do you think they can update in the firmware to make it better? Of course, with 64 megabytes, there's only so much you can realistically, you know, do with, you know, the controller physically as far as updates are concerned. You know, you can't really, I mean, it is what it is. But anyway, I want to hear from owners and people looking from afar. Now that the hype has died down a bit for it, how do you feel about this joint? Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, it's been your boy Q, high at you. Peace.